Okay, here's my updated system again. I don't know if I showed you guys the Wheelock RS. See, I'll show you close up. So, I want to show you guys right up close. This is the Wheelock as, I'm kidding, it's AS. Yeah, I don't know if I showed you guys this one already, but it can open pretty high up. Oh, that's pretty close to the ceiling. I gotta make this super quick because my dinner's ready. Give me a second. Let me put the stool away. So, now, here, give me a second. Sorry about the wait. Next is the Annunciator. I know it's not that good. It's okay. As that alarm right there, the UMM TMCS, the 4904, right there, alarm, strobe, and the Wheelock AS just behind the wall. So, like my dad made all of this, but I made this. He did the layers. And all these alarms go thanks to my dad. So, I haven't put anything right here. It says Simplex. I have way better. I could make way better writing than this. Trust me, I can. The word Simplex, logo and history. The key. I could put voicey back here if I want to, but not right now because I don't feel like it. It says system normal, not ready. Got the LEDs, no space for the LEDs for these little sections. And they don't press. But hopefully we'll get a pull station. I don't know what pull station, but we'll get a pull station by the stairwell by next week, hopefully. So it's pretty nice, and it has screws that actually look like screws. Flathead. That one's not the best. These two, but I thought these ones were pretty good looking screws there. That's just the only updates I got. And we also have the air conditioning. You see a heater. 70s, dang. It's literally, it's 76 degrees down here. Maybe I should put it on cool. Since, yeah. But that's all. This is Amtrak Fan 8310. Over and out.